Greetings. Today is another day. As I see here on the streets of Valdosta, we know that there's a graduation today at Lowndes County High School. And as you can see, the Kendrick Johnson's family are standing once again demanding justice and full disclosure of all the records that are held, that are available at this stage of the investigation of the death of their son. This will be an interesting day, I will assure you. Join me as I keep you informed live while on the streets here in Valdosta, Georgia. And I have just been informed by the sheriff deputy that is behind me to my right. And I was informed that our trespass warrant has been issued against me here in Valdosta and Lowndes County, Georgia, not to enter any area of Lowndes County High School property. This came as a complete shock to me, based upon what I've just been told by this deputy, that I could have been arrested at any time. I was out there on property a few days ago, putting up a podium, walking on the property, not knowing that a warrant had been issued or banning me from Lowndes County High School here in the state of Georgia and in the United States of America. I have never violated any law here in Valdosta and Lowndes County that is recorded in record that I am aware of. And so I called the Justice League, Bobby Worthy, to inform him of what has happened. This is a continuous practice. This is about the fourth time that I've had problem with law enforcement. The Lowndes County Sheriff's Department under Sheriff Prime. We must make documentation that I, George Boston Rhymes, have violated no law in Lowndes County. Yet I have been issued a warrant not to go on Lowndes County tax-paying property, wherein there was a public meeting this morning. I was told that there was a Board of Education meeting on this area, the old field house, in the old field house. So I believe there's a great possibility that my constitutional rights have been denied. Again, I did not violate any law, yet they say that a warrant have been issued banning me from any area of Lowndes County High School. If I had a relative, which I do have some people that graduate today, I can't even go to the graduation to Little Terry because I have been banned from the school by a warrant that I knew absolutely nothing about. Thank God I didn't go to this graduation, because I would have been arrested according to this deputy right here. Once again, I am George Boston Rhymes, and I do hope that C.B. King, Al Sharpton, Jesse Jackson, the Department of Justice, Eric Holder, and others will understand what the people here in South Georgia are going through while they ignore us. Why?
I issued him a criminal trespass 2 weeks ago, and he's not allowed to be on the property by order of West Taylor.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So, but no, you know me, man. I'm about, but I just
You go in this area, you'll get arrested, okay?
Okay, what can I do?
You either can stay right here.
Okay, they got a public meeting down here, so you're telling me I can't go to the public meeting?
I do not know anything.
I got you, but there's a public meeting.
All I'm saying is,
I'm not going.
I've been told.
I understand that, but what I'm saying is that there's a public meeting down here, so you all telling me that I cannot go to a public meeting, and I haven't violated no law.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna do like you say, but
You have a criminal trespass warning for the area of Lowndes High School.
Okay. Everybody, all of us do. I do.
As far as I know, it's just.
Is that right?
As far as I know.
Okay, I don't want to hold up traffic. So what do you want me to do? What do you want me to do, bro?
Go back out this way.
Okay, man, it's gonna be interesting in court.
I'm a minister at the First Antioch Missionary Baptist Church, and my grandchildren attend school out there.
Yes, sir.
And there were some things that I was kind of concerned about, because I had asked a gentleman by the name of George Boston Ryan to come in and video my granddaughter's graduation, and he was stopped and said he wasn't allowed to come on the premises, and we were trying to find out what had he done that he couldn't come out there.
He was stopped by who?
By the sheriff department. Said that he was giving orders by you guys that he wasn't allowed on the premises.
Okay. I think that may be something you'd have to take up with the sheriff's department.
Okay. So you guys, it's okay if he come out to the premises if something come up?
No, sir. What I'm saying is I believe that there was, and I don't know what they called it, some sort of order based on something that happened in the past, that I believe that there's something in place. And again, I think either he would need to discuss that with you, or possibly the sheriff's department.
Oh, okay.
No, so I do believe there's something in place. I don't want to tell you something that's not right.
Right.
But I do believe that is accurate.
Right. Well, all right. Well, I tell you what, can you set an appointed time that I can come in and sit down with you?
Yes, sir. I would be glad to.
What about tomorrow sometime? What would be a good time?
I'm not going to be here tomorrow. Hold on just a minute. Let me turn this calendar around.
All right.
Can you see your calendar?
No, I'm not at the present time.
Okay. All right. Well, let me ask you this. Is there a particular day of the week that's better for you?
What about today? What about Friday morning?
Well, we're closed the rest of this week. That's what I was calling.
Okay.
This is part of the time where...
Well, what about Monday of next week?
All right. Let me open this thing up. Monday is June the 3rd.
Yes, sir.
I've got on Monday and Tuesday of next week, I'm meeting with we have 12 schools. I'm meeting with all of our principals on Monday and Tuesday.
Okay.
I've already got all of them scheduled.
Well, I'm scheduled to go to Atlanta. I got to be in Atlanta on Wednesday and the rest of that week, so I can't make that one.
All right, well, hold on just a minute. I'm just flipping over the next week, which is Monday the 10th.
Okay.
I've got a principals meeting that day. Hold on, we'll get us a day. Hold on just a minute. Let me turn this thing over. That Thursday morning, which is the 13th, and I know you may not know off the top of your head, but that may be a possibility we could shoot for.
Okay. Well, you busy the rest of the day?
Is that on the 13th, on that Thursday?
Well, yeah, but what about today?
I've got somebody scheduled at 3 and then somebody after that.
All right, well, we'll just make it for that time then, and we'll see what we can do, and I'll give you a call back, we'll get back in touch.
All right, so you want to set a time on that morning, or you want to just wait and call me back? Whatever works for you.
I'll just call you back.
Okay, all right, that'll be fine, and we'll get a time that'll work for both of us, and I'll be glad to.
All right, well, as of you know right now, there's nothing that you guys have done to say that George Ryans can't come on the school campus.
I think there is something in place through the sheriff's department.
Okay.
Yes, I do think there is. But
all right.
I prefer that he either talk to you about that or the sheriff's department. I don't want to tell you something that's not right.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Now here I am, a retired military veteran with over 20 years in the United States Armed Forces, fighting for the rights of foreigners, only to come home to be restricted from going to a graduation here in Lowndes County, and I'm mad as hell about it. I could have died in Vietnam. I could have died in Kuwait and other places. And so they just happen to be passing by. And I just want everybody to know, this is serious. It's not about just Kendrick Johnson no more. It's about all of these people in Valdosta and Lowndes County that have been treated like this. And the Justice Department, the governor of the state of Georgia, the president of the United States, the Congress, the Senate, we need help down here. What are y'all waiting on? Where is Jesse Jackson? Where is Al Sharpton?
Praise the Lord.
We need help down here.
Hallelujah.
Where Congress Maxine Waters, I'm appealing unto the world to come to Valdosta, Georgia. What's wrong with y'all? Don't y'all know we catching hell down here? I have violated no law. I am an upright individual. You can't say that I'm running around with extra women. You can't say that I'm doing drugs. You can't say that I am gay. You can't say none of that junk. For I am the best of God's creatures. And for me to be denied the right by the sheriff of Lowndes County deputies is a disgrace to the city of Valdosta. It is a disgrace to Moody Air Force Base. It's a disgrace to everybody come here to go to Valdosta State University. It is a disgrace for Wild Adventures. It's a disgrace for Georgia Military College. It's a disgrace for Wiregrass Technical College. And it's time for a change. Now that's the rest of the story. Thank y'all.